We're home. Now we planting today. We have malunggay. Binili na sa market. Magkano bilhin nyo rito?
English lahat.
This they What English?
English lahat. Dapat.
No English. This malunggay. Ano ba English sa malunggay?
Drumstick.
Drumstick.
Well, drumstick. This malunggay tree and this the calamansi tree. Yeah. Still small but already have a flower. After that flower become a
Bunga na yan.
bunga. This lady is Mabel. Now cooking pechay. This one is also from a neighbor, from friends. They give us.
Uy, ang ganda naman ng pechay mo. Pahingi.
They are planting in their area
Ay,
also.
pahingi pechay.
Now we receive this one for their backyard,
Gimme.
planting
pechay.
some
You know
vegetable.
what? The pechay in the Kerala.
This is our place. Marites is there.
You know what? What is the
Mar-
pechay in the Kerala?
Marites is
Mouse.
there.
Daga.
Yeah, Marites is there cooking vegetable today. Let's see.
Daga. You ask to Giri.
We will check what she cooked today. What is
Sinigang na
that?
bangus.
This is sinigang na bangus. Yeah. Sinigang na bangus. Wow, sarap. Maasim na maasim. Yan si Marites. Nananaba. Ito yung backyard natin. Pwede tayo magtanim dito kaso madilim. Yan, kakarating ko lang guys. So, dito sana kami magse-celebrate ng Christmas kaso hindi pa naaayos. Yan, naglagay kami ng carpet dito, some sofa. Tapos open area siya. Yan, daming puno dito. The sky is good. And the climate is good. Medyo malamig na dito sa UAE. Prepare na kami ng dinner. Waiting for Marites to finish that sinigang na bangus. This our kitchen. We have stove here also. Some plates, condiments for cooking. We have gas range. It's very safe because very far in our room. Mabel room. And my room is there over there. Very far also.